Hey guys, my name is Dharmendra and you're watching World Walk. So in this video, I'm gonna let you know about the hidden features of OnePlus 6T. So let's start with the first feature. The first feature is dark mode. Might be you guys are not aware about this feature. So how we can access this feature? We just need to go to the setting. Here we can see there is an option called customization. You can select in this part customization. Here you will get an option preset theme. Once you will click on preset theme, you will get three options. The first one is vibrant trends, the second one is illuminating light, and the third one is nuance dark. So if you are gonna like the dark theme, you just need to click on this option and click on apply, and once you will hit apply, you will get to see your theme has been changed. Now you can see your theme has been changed. Wherever you will go, you will get this dark theme. So this is the first feature you guys must need to use. The second theme, I'm gonna let you know about the gaming mode. The gaming mode, the guys who are gaming lover can use this feature in OnePlus 6T especially. So you just need to go to this option, go to search bar, type game in the search box. You will get an option game space. In the bottom, if you see, just click on game space, hit on open. Now you will see gaming mode on in the bottom. Just click on this part, and once you will enable this part, all the call and notification will be blocked, all the background things will be restricted, and all the network improvement done by the secondary SIM will be stopped. So make sure whenever you are enabling this feature. So suppose I have enabled, so you can see CPU has been optimized, GPU are optimized, all those things have been done. So to experience the good feel of game, you can enable this feature in this OnePlus 6T mobile. I'm disabling for now. So this is the second hidden feature you guys can use. The third one is scheduled power on and off. Right? Whenever you want to switch off your mobile, and whenever you want to on your mobile, switch on. Like if you want to go bed at 12 in the night and you want that you need not to switch off at the time, it should automatically switch off, and once you wake up in the morning, it should automatically switch on. So there is a feature you can get. This is extremely a brilliant feature OnePlus 6T has provided. You just need to go to utilities. Here you will get an option scheduled power on and off. Just click here. You can get here power on and power off. Two options are here. Once you will enable these features, you just need to set up the power on time, and you just need to set up power off time, and accordingly your phone will behave, and you will you need not to switch off or switch on the mobile from your own. It will automatically perform those features for you. So this is very important features. And if I talk about the next one, that is basically the parental control. Sometimes you give your mobile to your child and somebody else, and then you feel like those child or person should see only the limited kind of information whichever you want to share. Then this feature you can definitely use. You can just go to setting option, where you will get an option called digital well-being and parental control. You just need to click on this option. Here you will see like which kind of data you would like to show. So set up parental control. You can set up those options using this, and accordingly your data will be displayed to the person to whom you have handed over your mobile. So this is also very good, and I would say this is really an important feature we have in the mobile, so that like if we have childs in our home, then we can definitely restrict the things which we don't wanna show with them, right? And then the last but not the least, we can say that is a really terrific feature provided by the OnePlus 6T. So that is Gen mode. So how you can Gen mode basically is a kind of mode when you cannot work with your phone. Your phone will be completely locked. Only the emergency calls you can do, or you can get only the incoming calls. You cannot play with your phone at that time. Whenever you have put your phone in the Gen mode. So there is a particular time which you need to allocate to the system, like in this particular uptime your phone will be on this Gen mode, and that means your phone will be completely locked. So how you can access? You just need to go to setting. Here you will get the search option and you can search Gen mode. Once you will search Gen mode, you just need to open. Here you will getting this screen and you just need to set up the time. What is the time you like, for how much time you would like to go on Gen mode with your mobile. So you just need to select the time and you just need to click on let's go. Here you will get some instructions, like once this mode will get started you cannot cancel, incoming notification will be temporarily muted, your phone calls will not be allowed, only emergency calls will be there, and all apps will be temporarily locked except for the camera. So these are the information you will get once you will confirm. So this is like a fantastic feature provided by OnePlus 6T. So I hope you guys liked the hidden features of OnePlus 6T, and might have a few of them might be aware of these features, but most of the person might not be aware about this. So I thought to just let you know guys, like you should also know the hidden features, because we are using these expensive phones, so we must know what are all the hidden features we need to use. So I hope you guys like this video, and if you guys like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.